This is an improved version of the Cobray 12 gauge single shot shotgun. It fires by the barrel moving back on a fixed firing pin. First we're going to shoot an Aguila mini shell. This thing has some really stout recoil. So we've loaded the gun, we move it into the fire position. I'm just going to shoot at the big plate just to see a little bit of a pattern. Move the charging handle forward, lock it open to the safe position, and it'll eject the shell. It's in the safe position to load. Now I'm going to load a Remington STS target shell. I'm going to shoot at the little jug. Now I'm going to shoot at the big plate, and we're going to shoot double-aught buck. Again, goes in a low position, pull it, it fires, open it to the safe position.